When I see an adult who's clenching and grinding, I look beyond just their teeth. The teeth are a symptom of an underlying problem. When someone is clenching and grinding, it makes me concerned. What is their airway? Are they breathing right? Are they having sleep apneic episodes? What long-term health problems could they be doing? Not just, oh, they're wearing away their teeth and they're breaking teeth and they have wear facets on their teeth. What bigger problems are we just masking by putting them in a night guard? Why are they grinding? Why are they having these problems? If we treat the underlying issue, why this is happening, not only are we going to protect the teeth, but we're also going to protect the human and protect the rest of their health and wellness.